Hello everyone, welcome back to one more session. So in this session, we are going to start with the UI and the UX designing training sessions. So I hope you guys would have been created the Penpot account. It is a completely open source, and in previous video we have created the account. Just this is the dashboard. The moment once you logged into the system. So in the left side, you would see the menu. The projects will be listed, and you can download the libraries, and the fonts will be downloaded. Things will be arranged here. This is the project section. Here, obviously, you would see the list of projects. These are my projects. And the right hand side on the top, you would see a new project. So to create a new project, you need to click on the new project, this button. So give the name for the project. I'm just giving a name as training project, and click on this plus icon. So it will create a fresh project for you. And on the top, you would see there is a page one. By default, there will be a one page. On the right hand side, you would see the design, the prototype, and inspect. And this is the canvas. The background thing will be there. And by default, the color will be white. You can select as per your wishes. So to make it very clear when we are adding the elements, so I just added a blue color for me. So you can add as per your wishes. So on the top, we have the various toolkit. This is board. Think for now I will skip this one. I will touch it at this board after some time. This is the rectangle. So wherever you need to use this rectangle for the buttons or some elements. So in those places we can use, and we have the eclipse. So wherever we need to define the eclipse shapes, we can use this one. And we have the text also. To enter the text, we can utilize this one. And we can import the images. The moment when you select the rectangle, uh, on the right hand side, all the properties has been opened. So the width, height, x-axis and y-axis, these things, the moment when we get started, really started to designing the UI and the UX at that time, I will explain you, and you guys will understand the use cases of those properties in detailed way during the practical sessions. So for the more, I just right clicked and deleting the elements. I have removed all the things. So the agenda, our goal is to prepare these three screens. If you see the home screen, it has the login button and sign up, and there is some text. The image has been given, and we have the login. The moment when user clicks on the login button, this screen will come. It will come sign in to continue, and email ID should be there, and password needs to enter. And click on the login button. And this is the second screen. And for sign up, when user clicks on this sign up link, the another screen would appear. In this screen, username will be given, user email ID, and the password needs to be given, and sign up.